Today I'm gonna show you how to use that's moving average. Alright, the first one I'm gonna show you with the goal. Alright, so this one is the moving average, the 200 period. This one is the 60, and this one is the 30, 35, and 39. Alright, so now if you look at this chart in the H1 chart, alright, if I'm buying the gold from here, and then my first target is here. Look at here. Here is my first target, alright, because here is the resistance zone. And then if the price can reach and can pass this line, the next target, the price will go here. Is here. It's a moving average 60 period. And if the price pass here, and then the price will go to the red line here. Alright, 1, 2, and 3. But if the price is past this set of the moving average, and then the price will go here. And if the price reach here and it cannot pass, and then the price will back to this zone. Here is how to use this moving average. Alright, and if we look at the H4 chart, we will see now the price here is 1, 2, 1, 3. Alright, this zone is support zone. Alright, here in the past, look at here. Here's in the past. So yesterday the price drop from here 1, 2, 2, 2, and then go drop to here, but cannot pass the support. Yep, here and here, and then the price go for sideways, and then I think the price will go from here, it will up to here 1, 2, 1, 6 first, and then if the price pass, the price will go here 1, 2, 1, 8. Yeah, here is how to use this moving average. You can use in the small time frame here. If you're playing in the M30, you will see the target is very close to the price. Here, even buying from here, here's my first target around here. Yeah, my first target, and then my next target is here. And here's my 3 target, 1 target, 2 target, and 3 target. Alright, next pair we're gonna look at the GBP JPY chart. Alright, here is the H4 chart. If we look at now, I think the GBP JPY, the price will go to reach this zone first in the red line, moving average 200 period. Alright, the price is 145.700. Yeah, I think the price will go around here, and then the price will coming back to this zone. Alright, let's check in the another time frame. Alright, I think the price will go to here 145.7. Alright, and if we look at in the H1 chart, we will see here now the price here. Alright, the price go up very strong, because if you look at this, you will see this one is upper past the red line, and then this one is past the red line too, but the next candle the price drop to this line, and you will see this candle. Alright, the price is drop here, and then the price reach moving average, and then that cannot pass, and then it's going back to the red moving average zone, and then the price here is open, and then it's It's going up very strong, and then I think the price will go to this zone first, here on the red line, up here. If the price pass this zone, and then the price will go to this zone, the second moving average, yeah, here on the 145.9, yeah, here, all right. All right, I think for me the price will upping to reach this line at this time frame, all right, and then I will sell around here, and then I will take my profit around here. Yeah, I will take my profit here because here is the close. This line is very close to the price. So you get me right? Yeah, this line is very close to the price around here, and I think the price will go around here first. Yeah, this is very easy, right? Alright, I'm gonna delete this one. Here you go. Here's my last position. I'm buying it around here. Yeah, and then I'm close. Yeah, here. So yeah, for me, if we look at the day one chart, I think the price will go around here. Yeah, around here. This how to use this moving average. Yeah, if you look at the gold at the M15 chart, we will see now the gold price that reach the this set of the moving average, but it cannot pass. You see here, right? Here too. The price cannot pass, and then the price coming back down here, and then the price reach again, and then the price cannot pass back down, reach back down, and then now is the price going to reach. If the price pass this zone, the price will go here and here. If the price pass this zone, the price will go here. And then if the price pass here, this zone, the price will go here. For target, yeah. First target, second target. Alright, so this how to use this moving average. Yeah. Thank you.